Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Usha EK 3315 electric kettle. This is a 1 liter 1200 watt electric kettle. There's an image of the kettle right on the box, but as you can see, it's obscured by the sticker. We'll take a look at what other information we can gather from the box. Over here, you will notice just, a portion of the electric kettle. The image of the electric kettle is visible here. So this is, you'll obviously get a better idea once I open this. But let me just read out the specification. It says dry ball protection, cord winding for easy storage, removable and washable spout filter, auto cut off, 360-degree cordless power base, power on indicator switch, concealed heating element, lockable top lid, shock-proof plastic body, 6 ampere plug with earthing for safety, and flexible power cord of 1.5 meters in length. Over here it says this is good for making all kinds of tea and coffee, etc. So yeah, this is more or less it. I'll now open this box and show you what's inside. These are the components of the box. First up, we have a instruction manual for the EK3315 electric kettle. This is the everything that you want to know. You'll find it over here, including a warranty card. There you go. This is the charging base for this particular electric kettle. This is made out of plastic. It's very lightweight as well. This is the 1.5 meter long power cable that comes with it. It also has a 3-pin plug at one end as well. Not just that, this is a 360-degree swivel base, so you can turn it around like so. Basically, the kettle, when you place it on top, you can turn it around complete 360 degrees like so. Not just that, notice these grooves over here. This can be used to store the wire. Once you're done, you'll be able to wound the wire around these grooves and then store it, when you want to store them. Now let's take a look at the kettle itself. This is what it looks like. This is a 1 liter kettle. It's written over here 1 liter max. This is the basically you'll be able to see the level of the water or whatever liquid you pour in through this window over here. This is the white variant. It is made out of ABS plastics. It's solid construction, by the way. Underneath you will notice the heating element over here. By the way, there's a heating element over here as well. So it's only when these two are connected that can you heat the water. This is the auto on off button. So it's automatic. I'll tell you why. There's an LED indicator over here as well. So let me just open this lid first. There you go. So the idea is you pour water inside, close it, put it on the heating base and press the on button. The moment you do that, you will notice that this light will start blinking red. And once water gets heated, vapor will start coming out. This light will turn off and this switch will turn off automatically as well. One final thing you should notice is that the heating base is made out of food grade stainless steel. So that's it. This is what you will find inside the box containing the Usha EK3315 electric kettle. Thank you for watching.